Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Shalom Kings. Let's dive in. Okay, today we're going to talk on another wonderful topic. You can be great too. Anybody can become great. You can be great someday. Everyone who wants to be great has to start somewhere. You might have already started your journey, or you are yet to start. Or maybe the biggest reason you didn't start your journey yet is because you're lazy, or you are tired of hearing all the other people becoming successful and you lost hope, or you're afraid, or you're just simply shy. If that's your case, today I'm giving a wake-up call to you. Start today. Nobody becomes great in just one night. If you saw somebody become a successful, reputed, very rich person in just 24 hours, then that's your mistake. You didn't see the hard work they did behind. You didn't see what all they've been through before. You just saw them in the news today and determined and just thought to yourself that they became a millionaire in just one night. That's not the case with everybody. Everybody needs to work hard in order to achieve something big in their life. Nobody can become great within a day. It's a long process. It's a huge process. But it is not impossible. Your hard work will never go to waste. But there's a catch to it. If you practiced basketball all your life, don't expect that skill, that talent to work with playing cricket. Maybe the determination and the discipline can be carried forward, but not the way you play the sport. It's totally different sport. You cannot use the same talent you used in basketball while playing cricket. You cannot use the same strategy in the different sport. It's totally different. This is the mistake we keep doing. We practice in something and we use that practice to do something else. That is why we fail every time. In order to become great at something, we have to stick to one thing, practice it again and again till you become the best at it. I've heard somewhere that if you practice something 1,000 hours, you become a master in it. Why don't you give it a try and tell me if it works or not? I know that's a huge amount of time to give it a shot to test something, but still, I think whatever it may be in your life, if it's a small thing or a huge thing, if you keep on practicing in it, if you train your skills levels and increase your talent in something, just one thing, you will be the best at it and no one else can beat you in it. That way, you will automatically become great. As I said, jumping from one work to the other without completing it will not give you progress in life. If you are stuck somewhere, take your time, train yourself, find the mistake, go back to the fundamentals, go back to the beginning and find out how to overcome it first. You cannot keep on leaving incomplete objectives on the way and go to the next one every single time and expect to progress in life. Just because you're moving forward doesn't mean you're progressing. You're just leaving things behind incomplete. You got to go back, finish everything, complete everything, get better at them first and then go for the harder levels. That way, you will be unstoppable, unbeatable. You will be the best in everything. So never be shy or afraid or lazy to start today. Today is your day. It might even be 10 o'clock at night when you're watching the video. But still, there's 2 more hours for the day to end. Start doing something. Go practice something. Go learn something. It's never too late. Even if you are very old, doesn't matter. Anybody can become great at any point of time. Start today. Today is your day. I hope this tip will help you. Start today. This is your wake up call. You can be great too. Bye bye.